guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Daniela for those of you who are new here, and today's video is pretty exciting specifically because I am now an XMONDO affiliate. It's official, guys. XMONDO recognized me and they trust me to give products to, so I'm super excited. So for those of you who don't know, I did try out the XMONDO Wave Foam, and I kind of made a little curly concoction using the electric rain, the conditioning mist. So I've kind of like play around a little bit with XMONDO products to work for my, little curly cues over here. But XMONDO recently dropped their Wavetech wave system. So this is specifically targeted for wavy and curlier hair types. So XMONDO was nice enough to send me the full collection, and this is what the box looks like. It comes with this cute little insert that says Wavetech wave system with WaveFlex technology, and then a little blurb about all of the products that it contains. And these are the products in question. We have the shampoo, the conditioner, the wave foam, and then the hydrating wave cream, which I'm super excited to try, because if you guys have watched my other video where like I was using the XMONDO products, I used the what's it called? I use the Electric Rain Moisture Cream as like a curl defining cream, or like, just as a hair cream, and I loved it. So I'm super excited to try this wave cream because it is targeted obviously for wavier and curlier hair types. And then we have the Wave Revival Mist, the Wave Revival Mist, which is like, your refreshing spray. I'm kind of like very on and off with refresher sprays. It just depends on my curly routine at the time. So right now I'm not really using a lot of refresher sprays because I kind of just like let my hair out and then let it do what it do. So that's just where I am right now, but I will try it out for you guys obviously because I do want to give my full honest review. But I am super excited to use these products today. I am so ecstatic. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the shampoo and conditioner. I'm not gonna demo this because I feel very weird just demoing using a shampoo and conditioner. I feel like we all know how to do this by now, so I will just give you guys my quick little opinion, my review after I'm done washing my hair, and then we can go ahead and get to styling. Before we go any further, let me just remind you guys, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe down below for more videos and more reviews. I buy products so you don't have to, and if you ever have any curly questions or curly products you'd like for me to try, don't forget to leave it in the comments down below. But anywho, let's hop right in. I am back with my opinions. Alright, so I just finished washing my hair with the shampoo and conditioner. Disregard this situation. But the shampoo, I enjoyed it. It has a very similar fragrance to the hydrating shampoo and conditioner, the one that comes in the green bottle. It feels very luxurious. It smells very floral, kind of in line with all of the other XMONDO products. So I did enjoy this a lot. It doesn't leave my hair feeling super squeaky clean after I rinse it out. If you're the type of person that likes your hair feeling squeaky clean after you rinse out a shampoo, then this one probably isn't for you. I personally don't like that squeaky clean feeling unless I'm using a clarifying shampoo and conditioner, like apple cider vinegar shampoo and conditioner, because to me it just feels very, very stripping, and I did not get that from the shampoo. So I did enjoy that, and yeah, that's all I really could say from it from the first wash. But the conditioner, so this one was kind of threw me off a little bit because it does not have a fragrance. It just smells like the product, I guess. Like, it doesn't have that floral scent or any sort of fragrance like any other XMONDO products. It just smells like a product, I guess, or at least the fragrance is very, very, very minimal. So if you're not into super scented products, then this one might be for you. I did enjoy how quickly I was able to detangle. However, I did recently get my hair cut, so that might have also played a part in it. But I did love how silky, smooth, and shiny my hair looked and felt after I rinsed it out. So I did enjoy this conditioner. And yeah, that's all I can really say. Overall, I could say that I did enjoy the shampoo and conditioner. Now to get this situation handled. Alright, so we're going to use Wavetech Hydrating Cream and the Wavetech Wave Foam today. I'm going to go ahead and put them right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this off. If you don't have one of these, I highly recommend you get one. This is kind of like a little, I don't even know what it's called, but this saves my life so many times. Like sometimes I'll be deep conditioning and want to do my makeup while I'm deep conditioning, and this does it so the water doesn't just like drip on your face or anything. I got this at Forever 21. I'm sure you can get it on Amazon. I would just look up like a towel headband or some sort. But if you don't have a towel headband situation, I highly recommend you get one. It'll make your life a lot easier. Who do I look like right now? Alright, so I did not dry my hair whatsoever. I literally rinsed out the conditioner and just clipped my hair up. So it's actually pretty dry for the most part. I didn't even... Probably from the headband. So this is what my hair is looking like so far. I do enjoy how shiny it looks just from the shampoo and conditioner. You guys know I love my hair being super shiny, so I'm very excited. So we're going to go ahead and start off with the Wavetech Hydrating Cream. Oh, this is an interesting pump. See, for a pump this big, I really thought that it was going to have more product come out, but then I just realized that the hole's really small. But it's like a... It almost gives me like a leave-in conditioner, like a slightly thicker leave-in conditioner consistency. Like it's very light. Not the biggest fan of the smell of it. There's like something off-putting about the scent, but it's not like anything crazy because it's not like super strong or anything. Alright. But I do enjoy the applicator. So I don't know about you guys, but I don't really enjoy applicators that are like sprays. Like leave-in conditioners that come in a spray, because more often than not, you can't spray directly onto your hair because it, like if it's a thicker product, it'll literally just go straight into one spot of your hair. So usually I end up just spraying it in my hand and running it through my hair anyway. So I'm glad that this is more of like a pump. And it's like liquid enough for you to still get a good amount of product when you pump it, given the small little hole it has at the top. Okay, this is what my hair is looking like right now. Hi, Mims. Hi. Very, very, very well saturated. I feel like I definitely put a lot more product than I should have, but it's fine. It'll just last longer. It's fine. So far, really enjoying this. I love the consistency. The scent, not so much, but you can't smell it once it's in your hair. But as of consistency and how my hair is looking like now, I am enjoying it, but obviously we have to wait and see until after my hair dries. Okay, now for the Wavetech Wave Foam. I have already used this product before in the past, and I personally enjoy it. By itself, maybe not on my curl type, only because I have a curlier curl type and my hair will just not last at all. So if I do use this product, I usually use the Hydromania conditioning mist under it if I want more of a voluminous look with a little bit more hold, or I use the the Electric Rain Moisture Cream, which is hands down my favorite product that XMONDO has. So I use that, and then I top it off with this guy. Usually I get great results. I'm curious to see what my hair will end up looking today. So enough of me rambling. I'm sorry guys. I forget that I can talk and style at the same time. So I'm going to start off with this much. And I'm just going to like loosely put it in my hair. There's no method or anything to apply mousse. Okay, this is what we're looking like so far. No frizz. Hair looks pretty defined, very, very coated for sure. I may or may not squeeze out the excess product, so I'll let you know if I do that. But I'm going to go ahead and diffuse, and I will come back with the results. So this is what my hair looks like. I literally just finished diffusing, and I haven't really parted it or anything. I just left it. But when I tell you there's really no cast, there's no cast. Like, there's no crunch, there's nothing. Like, this just feels like my hair. So that's one plus for sure. So I did get more shrinkage than some of my other products, but personally I don't mind. But I'm gonna go ahead and fluff and then like pick apart, and then I'll show you guys the actual final results. Okay, so I decided to do my makeup as well. So this is the finished look. So let me just note really quick, my hair is a tiny bit frizzy, but it was not because of the product. Today's actually pretty humid, and I did fluff a lot because I am going out and obviously I want as much volume as possible. However, that is on me and not on the product itself. You guys saw what it looked like before I fluffed and did all of that. So yeah, this is what we're working with. Lots of volume, lots of definition, beautiful shine. I am obsessed. Okay, let me just like move my hair out of my face for a second. So I am definitely enjoying the hydrating wave cream. I will be sure to use this a lot more often. I do want to try it out with a light gel or just any other type of gel as opposed to a mousse, because I feel like personally for me, my hair lasts a lot longer if I use a gel rather than a mousse, but I will be sure to let you guys know how that goes. But yeah, so these are the finished results as I said earlier, and I am enjoying my hair a lot. I feel like I didn't properly part my hair. I still don't know if I want to do this middle part situation because I will need to see, like, I don't have really short bangs. I might honestly just do like a side part situation. One thing that I did notice about these products is that they do enhance my natural curl pattern, which I personally am enjoying right now, but I do typically opt for products that elongate my curls a little bit more because I do like playing around with the length of my hair. However, I do enjoy how much volume I got, although my curls are a little bit more shrunken. Let me actually get a little bit closer. So I did separate a lot of the curls, but as you can see here, like this one for example, it is so spirally. But yeah, that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like I said before, don't forget to leave a comment down below if you have any other products you'd like for me to try and how you guys feel about today's wash and go. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!